Hello everybody, and today I am doing Algadoo Season 2. As you can see, this one's a survival, so everyone goes and they've got to survive, and then they reach the house, and when someone reaches in the house, you've got 5 seconds to come in, if not you're out. There are lots of obstacles, and if you want to know, that just means turned over, okay? Let's get started. Everything's starting, you know how it works by now. I'll go to Season 2 on the go. We've got, I think, Algeria and a few others ahead. Argentina's going an odd way. South Korea's near the front. And already we have got Norway in the lead. Screen cut has started, so this now. See? And now as you can see, lots of people have died here, and now we've reached a big bit. Hong Kong, Finland, Peru, Norway, and Taiwan are in the leading pack, really. As you can see, they go up, they continue going up, they go up here as high as they can, but they want to get as low as they can, in reality. And then they all fall back here, as we've got Slovakia taking the lead, with Burma, and Norway and Taiwan next. Going over an invisible piece of force. Australia's doing well. Australia, Norway, some others crash. Hungary's the last one. Slovakia onto this hard bit. Falling. I will check if it is time. They're coming. Slovakia's coming with hardly anyone else in sight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This means that Venezuela is now out. And only 2 survived today. Wait, oh yeah, 3 survived. Slovakia and Philippines. Those 3. Philippines almost come down. And that means that here are the winners. They will move it to the final. Yay!